managing IM users, groups, and credentials. In this video, we will learn managing IM user and credential role. Now that we have learned creating IM user and roles, another important task to do is to manage these created users and roles as the demand for change varies from time to time, depending on project users are working with and business need. So in this slide, we will discuss how to manage IM users that we created. This includes viewing user access, listing IM users, as well as deleting users. So on the next video, we will demonstrate how to perform the said management task. Here, I will demonstrate to you how to manage an IM user. So listen, focus very carefully. Like IM users, roles can also be managed. Roles can either be modified or deleted depending on the business need. So in this video, I will demonstrate how to manage an IM user role. Listen and focus very carefully. Okay, now we go for the demo. To list users and their access, click on users on your IM service console. So I'm gonna go to IM console. So with the IM console, here's the IM console, and then go to user. I'll double click this one. This would lead me to a list of all the IM user. Now I'm gonna click one username that I will manage and will be presented with a summary window afterwards by clicking. Let's say I'm gonna click my own username, and then I will be redirected with a window. So with this window contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs. I'm gonna take closer look on the advisor tab. So with this advisor tab, this would give you a good view of all the available service that the user has access to and when it was last accessed. So as you can see here in the third column. So this would be important when you harden a security access and deciding which service access can be revoked for an IM user. Okay, so it can either be a user, group, or role. So to delete user, select the button here, the delete user, and then this will show or redirect you with a delete user window. So describing that if you do this process, if you click this yes delete button, it will permanently delete the user that you choose a while ago. Okay, so there you are. So this is how you do the delete user. This is the summary of a specific user, which is Jesdale, which is me. So I end this demo for managing an IM user. Next, I will demonstrate to you the second demo for this chapter, which is managing an IM role. Now, I'll be going to demonstrate to you managing IM role. To modify an IM role, click role on the console here. Now, this will give you the capability to modify. And then it will show you a summary window for the role, trust relationship, and even revoke sessions that the role is still working on. So we're gonna click a role name here. Let's say EC2 audit. So this audit contains trusted, tag, advisor, and revoke sessions. So to delete the role, go back to the role list and select the checkbox beside the role. Okay, so let's go back to the role list. Then let's say I would like to delete this EC2 audit. Click this one, and then this will be changed to disable to enable. You click it, and then this window will tell you if you do this action, this will delete all the following roles on specifically the EC2 audit. So this is how you do managing IM role.